welcome back to the Crochet Crowd. I'm your host, Mikey. The letter that we're going to do today is the title of this video. It's only going to be in right-handed format for this because I've been told that if you flip the video camera for the left-handed version, the letters will appear backwards for my left-handed audience. So to not upset anybody, it will not be available in left-handed. Also, in the video description, I linked the playlist where all the letters will exist. They will be provided in time, but I also put one video on how to sew the appliques to the project without going through. So if you want to add personalization of a name and not ruin your project, you can do it that way as well. So I will leave that in your hands, and without further ado, let's get started.
So let's do the letter L using a 4.5mm size G crochet hook with Caron 1 pound.
So let's start off with the slip knot. And you need to chain a total of 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So now what we need to do is second chain from the hook. We're going to single crochet, and then it states then single crochet in the next 2 chains. So we have 1 and 2. And then it says skip the next chain and then a single crochet the remaining, and this will cause a bend to happen for your L. So you're just gonna go all the way to the top. You don't need to count unless you feel like you want to. And once you're at the top, this is it. So you want to keep the strand long that you're working with, and that'll be the strand that you sew it down to your project. Just pull through. And so because you skipped the stitch, it'll have the automatic be able to bend when you go to sew it down. Any kind of loose ends that you want to get rid of, just favor the back side using a tapestry needle. Okay. And I'm just favoring the back. And then your L is ready to go, and you can pin it down to your project, and then you can form the letter